welcome back to my channel. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple. Thank you for joining me today. I'm working in my 2024 Project Life album, and this is documenting week 15. So I've already printed my pictures ahead of time with my Canon selfie printer. And for this week, I have a couple of 2x2s and one 4x6, and then the rest are 3x4s. I'm using Elle Studios April printables that were like add-ons to my kit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take you through my week. The top 4x6 card there is I have three 2x2 pictures documenting conference weekend. My church usually has a conference in April and in October, and so tradition in my home is we have I make a big breakfast excuse me, and we eat breakfast and watch conference, and it was a really nice treat. Kids love that. And then the next 3x4 picture below that is documenting the total solar eclipse that happened on April 8th. That was pretty cool. We didn't actually get to see it, but we did see it on, what is it? I think the NASA, the live, the live broadcast that they had. We saw it, well, I actually saw it at work with my students, and my kids all got to see it as well while they were at school. So that was pretty neat. We're not going to have another solar eclipse like that until, what did they say, 2044 or something like that, something crazy like that. So yeah, that was cool. Something definitely to add into the album. The next 3x4 picture over is a picture of my son. We went out on a family walk because we're trying to walk again like a family, and we've been pretty good. We've been walking every evening, and then my family goes to the gym. Now my oldest son is able to go to the gym now, and now he joins sister and my husband, and we all go. The only one that hasn't have a membership yet is my youngest son, but it'll be a while. So yeah, we went on this little walk here, and my son ran into one of his best friends, and she was walking her dog, so he got to meet her little dog, Nala, and so that was really cute. They've been best friends since like preschool, I think, and so it's just really neat to see them, how much they've grown over the years. And so yeah, I had to definitely take a picture of that. Here I just did a little bit of documenting on that card, and then later I do add one of these die cuts that says photograph. Went and adhered that with my art glitter glue, and I felt like it gave it a little pop of color. The next row below that is I used this card, a journaling card from, I believe, from the March kit. It said spring to-do list, and I went ahead and added a bunch of things that we usually do during the springtime, like clean baseboards, clean gutters, plant flowers, things like that. And I kind of already checked off a couple things that we've already taken care of, and some things that we still need to do. So that is just a great reminder of things that I still need to do. And I'm just documenting that, what I just briefly discussed now. I do apologize for my voice being all raspy. I'm still struggling with allergies, and yeah, it's been really bad here. It's been kind of windy, and so excuse me, guys. The next 3x4 picture next to the card that I'm documenting is just a picture of me holding up one of Camilla's eggs. This is her first white egg. So we have two hens. One lays brown eggs, and the other one lays white eggs. And so it was we were really excited to get her first egg. And so it's just nice. My son looks forward to going to the coop and looking in the nests, flipping open the nest, and the board that goes above the nest. Excuse me. And coming back with either 2 eggs, 1 egg, or no eggs. Usually he gets disappointed. Sorry, Mom, no egg today. And I'm like, it's okay. I'm happy with whatever I get. So that's my youngest son's favorite thing to do. So that I am just use a die cut here just to jot down fresh egg, I believe I put, and then I use this card here that says story number 1 and story number 2. So first story I talk about Camilla's first egg, and story number 2 I talk about Milo. You can't really see, but he's in the background and it looks like he's whistling. I thought it was so cute, but it's actually him in mid-bark. So I'll talk a little bit about that. So yeah, this week I did a lot of journaling. Usually I don't do too much. It's usually picture heavy. But I do like, when I get to do more journaling, because I feel like it kind of gives the, whoever's viewing the album a little more insight of what's going on. So yeah, I really did enjoy that this week. So now going on to the right side of the protector sheet, the top 4x6 picture there is a picture of my husband using his flat grill outdoor grill. And he's actually, he had this great idea, and usually we have pizza on Fridays, but this Friday he says, I had the day off, and so we were at the store, and he's like, let's do some Sonoran dogs, and I was like, heck yeah. So we went to the grocery store and bought, all our ingredients. I diced up some onions and some jalapenos and got some beef franks, and then his great idea was to wrap the beef frank in bacon. So we had bacon wrapped dogs, and they were so yummy. So I use this card right next to the picture that says a little note to say I love you, and or something of that sort. I can't really see. And basically it's just like a little love note to him for always just spoiling us, and he usually does all the barbecuing and all the grilling and uses the Traeger and all that good stuff, and it's just always a treat. I absolutely love it when he takes charge and makes dinner for us, because I just, sometimes I run out of ideas. Does that ever happen to you guys? Like that question, like, what am I going to make for dinner today? It's always something that I always struggle with. So anyway, I really do appreciate that, and I just wanted him to read that. Hopefully he does enjoy it. The next row down is a picture of myself. It's a selfie. I participate in our You Kristen's selfie project, where you take a selfie every Thursday and you post it, which reminds me I should probably do that here in a bit, because it is Thursday, and I haven't taken my picture yet for today. But so yeah, you take a selfie, you jot down 3 things that are happening right now, and then you post it on Instagram, and you tag her and tag any friends that you think would like to participate. And it's so great. We have a great little community that participates, and it's just nice to see others post their 3 things. So that's usually a picture in my layout. And this card here was perfect because it has like a bunch of little tags there. And I just, put down my 3 things. I do it off camera because I don't know, for some reason my computer, I can't, it doesn't show on my computer my Instagram posts. I don't know what the deal is. I may have to check out my privacy settings or something, or maybe there's a firewall or something. I don't know, that I have to check. But anyway, so I do document that. And then the next picture over is just a picture of the book that I was doing a buddy read with my bestie Amy, and I invited her to read Rock, Paper, Scissors with me. This was that was a great book. We ended up finishing, I ended up finishing on Sunday. The picture below that is a picture of me reading on Sunday morning. I read all morning long and it was just so great. I definitely recommend that book if you want a good suspense thriller mystery book. It's a really good one. So yeah, that's basically all my pictures for the week. Here I just document my little thank you note to my husband. And for the 4x6, I didn't have a 4x6 that came with the printables for that week, but I did end up getting one of my paper pads. It's an older collection. I believe it's like a Jen Hadfield. I think it's like a summer or spring pack of papers, and it had a bunch of cute florals, and I figured I'd use that since one of the cards here had flowers. They believe it has daisies on it. So I just used that as a filler card, and then I called that good. This week came together pretty quick. I do end up using these puffy label stickers from February's kit, and I just add that in between the card in the middle there, and just added the date with my rolling date stamp. And then this is where I just simply just cut out from one of my what is it called, leftover papers, scraps, I guess I should say. And that is about it. I call this week good. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week, and hope you guys have a great weekend as we're coming up on the weekend. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.